Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Hi everyone, this is your girl, Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect ofada rice. And today, I'm going to make sure there's no explosion. I will try my possible best to make sure the kissing will not explode today. And in continuation of our 200 hours Cook-A-Thon challenge, here we go. As we all know, we have our ingredients here. We have our curry, we have our thyme, we have our salt, we have our maggi, we have our sugar, and we have our ororo, we have our rice, and we have our tagungu. You know, I told you guys that we are going to cook perfect ofada rice. And I says, I don't see that rice. And I always tell you, no matter what happens in your kissing, learn how to maneuver. So when I search for ofada rice and I cannot afford it, I was like, it's good to have this common sense. So right now, this is atagungu, black pepper. We are going to pour it inside our rice, and it's going to form ofada rice. I'm talking from experience as yourself. So let's try this.
I told your mom to let you go and study in Nigeria.
You now lose your Cameroon pepper. This life is very sauce. So you will now pour it.
You are doing rubbish.
You pour it.
You think that you are doing
you pour it. Tell you now they see. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? You have not even poured it finished. You have already turned to ofada rice. So the remaining one, so pada. So you now do this one like this.
Oh no, Baba!
This thing is just common sense. You mix it together. Secret of ofada rice. It's now real ofada rice. So let's begin. So right now, now on our gas.
You are doing lunatic encyclopedian petrification of Jajatica.
We on the gas. So our pot is on the fire already. We will now put our ofada rice inside the empty pot. Hey,
oh yeah, sorry.
So right now, we're not going to be putting our ingredients one after the other. So carry our maggi. Right now, we'll now put our curry and thyme. So right now, we'll now be stirring it. We'll mix all the ingredients together. You stir it. As you can see, it's turning to ofada rice already. It's changing color gradually. It's a gradually process something. So you stir it for like 5 seconds. Put it down. Right now, we'll now take our water.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
Water is okay like that. Too much of water. So I made this ofada rice come out very okay. That is a party. No be your dear saying a person no.
Jesus, abre bro.
Run, no.
My rice. Yeah. So guys, we don't need to enter the kitchen. You already know what is going to happen. There is fire on the mountain. Oh no, Mr. Padasi Dodo. And I promise you guys that there is not going to be an explosion. Any minute from now, everything will move down. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.